Okay, Bubs, are you ready to replace the slave cylinder?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's compare the old one to the new one. Ready? See, look, there's us right there. There we are. Okay, here's the new one, and here's the old one. Look at that.
Ew.
Ew, that's dirty, huh? Okay, ready? You want to open the box?
Yeah.
Open the box.
Okay.
Wow! Oh, those are my seat things. My seat slider things. We're gonna put those on the back seats and it's gonna look good as new. Oh, open it up, Bubs. Wow, there it is. There's the new slave cylinder, yay! Now let's compare them. Yeah, see? It's like, this one's a little sloppy, see? See, try doing that with that one.
Like what?
Yeah, see? Which one's better, do you think?
This one.
That one's better. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the car. Okie doke.
Okay, go.
Okie doke. And clutch fluid. Ew. Nasty. Gross. Clutch fluid is also brake fluid. Did you know that, Bubs?
Yeah.
You did? Wow. You're really smart. You're gonna be a car girl. Are you a car girl? Yes? Yes? There's the camera. Look. This is gonna be a video that you can watch on your tablet. We're making a video right now.
There's no sometimes want to be a car girl.
What?
The camera.
You're gonna be a car girl.
I'm gonna fix all over the cars. I don't be crazy.
You're gonna fix all the cars and be crazy. Oh no, look out, world. Okay, let's put this in. What do you say?
Sure.
Okay, but first we gotta pop this out. This thing here. Just be careful you don't cut yourself, because it's a little sharp. Want me to help you?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. There it goes! Yay! We did it! Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Let's dance. Whee! Yay! Okay. So, you stepped on it. You just gotta be careful we don't break it, because Daddy just bought this. Okay, let's put this in the old one.
That seems disgusting.
It is disgusting. It really is. Let me tell you. Okay, now we're gonna put this under the car. Ready?
Now I'm under a car.
You think we're gonna be able to get that slave cylinder up in there? You know what the slave cylinder does?
No.
It helps you change gears. Okay, let's do it.
I
Ready?
have short legs.
You have short legs. Yes, you do. Do you have bolts under there, Bubs?
What are bolts?
Good. Show everybody the bolts. Okay, and tell everybody about the bolts, Bubs.
Well, to make bolts fix stuff.
Yeah?
And that makes cars work.
Wow. Thank you, Bubs.
And it makes the car get faster and slower.
It does. Good job, Bubs. Okay, let's put the bolts in. But first, we'll put some anti-seize on there. Do you know what anti-seize does?
No.
It makes it so that you could take them out again more easily. I'll show you what it looks like. You ready? Okay, check this out. Eee, that's weird, huh? Watch this. There it goes. There's one. You want to do the other one? Here. No, you take that, and then take this. Okay, and go ahead and put it on the threads. Wow, good job, Bubs. Good job.
I make sure to put a lot on.
That's good. The more, the better. Okay, now let's put this aside because we don't need it anymore.
The more, the better.
The more, the better.
It can get done.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in. You ready?
I work with you. I will work on cars with you every day.
Every day? All right. Well, there's plenty of stuff to do, that's for sure. Yay! Daddy got the thread started! Woo! High five! Yeah, Daddy got the thread started.
Other one?
Oh, thank you, Bubs. Good job.
Sure.
Okay, now this hole is up here. So let's see if we can get that one started.
You're amazing.
You're amazing, Bubs. Thank you. You're a superstar. I'm going to be away for a little while.
And then I won't be able to fix cars with you.
Well, you will when I get back.
Well, I love fixing cars with you.
Yes, it is fun, isn't it? I love fixing cars with you too, Bubby.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome.
And now they're my favorite.
They're your favorite? Do you love the internet? Do you love people on the internet?
Yes.
I do too. All right, I got the other thread started. Woo! High five! You're popping the bubble wrap? That's completely okay. You can do that if you want. Okay. Now we're gonna tighten them down. Ready? We'll do the top one first because it's harder to get to. Harder to get to. There you go. There you go. Good job. You're doing it. Yay, Bobby! See? It's getting closer. See that gap there? You're closing the gap. Wow, she's a natural. And now for this one up here. See the top one? Yeah, we're going fast. I'm gonna need a crescent wrench. Tell everybody about this.
This is the correction wrench.
What does it do?
It tightens things.
Wow.
This it fixes things, but a little different because it's just for fixing stuff. But the thing it's called is different because it's a different thing.
Wow, that is exactly correct, Bubs. Good job. High five. Okay, now we're gonna use it. Ready? See this up here? That has to go into that. That's where we pop the cap off of, remember? One. Let's count how many. How many do you think it's gonna be? 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
5. Oh, hold on. 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
9,
10.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, now that feels pretty tight. Okay, 20. You were right, Bubs. 20.
Do you need this?
Oh, let's see. I don't need that now, but maybe later.
Okay.
Thank you, Bubs.
You're welcome.
We did it! Bubs, the new slave cylinder is in there. Yay! See, this is called the slave cylinder right here. That's where it goes. Okay, let's get out from under the car, okay?
Okay.
Let's get out from where it's all real dirty. Ew.
And we
Ew,
still
it's so
gotta work.
dirty.
And we still gotta work on stuff.
We still gotta work on stuff, that's right. Now we have to bleed the slave cylinder.
We bleed.
Yeah, it's like blood, but it's like, you know, car blood, right? Oh.
Like gleeby
Well,
gleeby.
Yeah, exactly, like Gleeby Gleeby. That's exactly right, Bubs. We need somebody to pump the clutch pedal while I open and close the valve. Oh.
Look, guys. This is a big cool tool.
What are you gonna do with it?
Big stuff.
You gonna fix stuff with it? Should we find the clutch fluid reservoir, Bubs?
Sure.
Let's go find the clutch fluid reservoir, okay?
And I know put this back.
Okay. We just need to add fluid, but we need to know what kind of fluid it takes. What kind of fluid do you think it takes?
I don't know, too.
I don't know. That's the right answer. So we should look it up on our phone. See.
Well, I don't have a phone.
We could look it up on my phone.
It's not an idea, so I can't have a phone.
Lad, you have a phone. You have a phone.
Where?
You have your toy phone in the house. Silly.
But I want a real phone.
Well, let's look and see what kind of clutch fluid our Porsche 928 takes. So 1980 Porsche 928 clutch fluid. Aha, I knew it. DOT 4 or 5. Yay!
High
High five. DOT high five. Wow, that was a dad joke right there. Okay. Is that it?
Does it say push-up?
No, that can't be it then. Is that it?
Does it say push-up?
No, I guess it's not that either. I don't think I have any, Bubs. We might have to go to the store.
That's not where I go.
Okay, so we're back from the store.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what did we get?
We got oil.
Oil? You mean brake fluid?
We got brake fluid.
We got brake fluid, and it's in a really cute yellow bottle. Yeah.
Catch.
Good job.
Is it hard?
You can do it. You see, you did it. Oh, okay, now we gotta take that part off. So what does brake fluid do, Bubs?
Fix cars.
Let's get...
That wasn't hard. Now you do, because I'm too bad to do it.
No, you're not too bad at it. You just spilled a little brake fluid all over the car. It's no big deal. It's not like it's bad for the paint or anything, right? Let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's in here. Okay, ready? Car polish. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are you going to do with it?
Play with it.
You're going to play with the car polish? Okay, sounds good.
Look what I got.
Woo!
It's funny.
Okay, now put it on here. Push, 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 push. You did it.
I did it?
That's what Daddy's going to do under the car. Ready?
Hi. There's no horn beep.
It does. It goes... Beep, beep. Okay, ready? We're gonna blow the clutch, okay? No more horn! Go ahead and pump the clutch, Bubs. Hold the clutch in. Keep it held in until I tell you. Okay, now you can let it out. Good job, Bubby. You pumped the clutch. Oh. Oops. You scared us.
Why is the horn under there?
You want to show me all the fluid that we took out? That
Ew.
came out of the old line?
Whoa.
In the old slave cylinder? Ew.
Brother.
That's gross.
When
Yeah.
we get inside, I will need you have a bath before
That's
I
right.
eat.
See, isn't working on cars fun? Okay. Good job.
Time to spill it out.
Good job. Nope. We do not spill that out. We put that in a... We are environmentally
What did you
conscious.
say in here?
Okay, Bubs. What did we learn today?
We learned fixing cars.
Yeah? What did we fix today?
Big old chubby. Her name's Bucky.
Bucky?
And then I need a zombie bath.
A zombie bath? What tools did we use?
We use Handsome Daddy.
A handsome daddy? Okay, well, I think that explains enough. And I think you might need a nap.
But not in a sturdy thing.
Yes, you probably need a bath first, then a nap.
And lunch.
And lunch. Yeah, can't forget about lunch. Nothing works up an appetite like working on cars, huh?
Because we're doing prizes. Bucky Baka.
Okay, all right. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
Because here's your daddy on.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody on the internet.
Bye.